Hello everyone, thanks for joining. Today I'm going to show you something that would seem very simple, but for me it was a bit hard to find when I first started using CapCut. So I'm going to show you today how to crop an image on the CapCut application on your PC. Now this is very intuitive if you're using your mobile phone for this edit, but if you are using CapCut on your computer, using the application downloaded on your machine, it is a little confusing on where you can find it, so let me show you really fast. Okay, I'm going to bring in a picture to my project. We'll do this beach picture. And I'm going to hit this plus sign to add to track. I decided I want to crop my image a little bit. And you could do this where you drag the corner, but in and out like this to make it match your frame. But to make it easier, all you have to do is click on the image and see this little crop icon here. You can crop ratio here, and then you're going to get your frame borders, and you can do whatever you want to crop your image here. So I'm just going to zoom in more on this boat and crop down this far. Okay, then you can go ahead and click confirm, and also to call out, you can rotate it here. So if you just wanted to rotate 90 degrees, you can easily do that here as well. I'm going to go back to 0 and confirm. Okay, so now my photo is cropped, and you can still see you have a black canvas here. To make it look a bit better, I would go to the video tab, basic tab, and at the bottom click canvas, and from here I like to choose the blur option. You can choose color or a different brand background if you want, but I like the blur background, and you can choose the exact same image but show it in the background. So it sort of makes it a seamless image at that point, and you can change the level of blur here. So I like this how it is, and now we have a cropped image, and you can do this to all of your photos. I hope that helped you today. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel.